everybody, welcome back to June's card class. We have card number 4 now, and this is a take on the lovely Patty Bennett's card design, her 2468 card, and I've adapted it for the UK market, and I have adapted it for this class again. So the idea of this card is you're using the designer series paper to create some panels for your card, and then it opens up. Now, I had a real boo-boo. I made this card and I was really pleased with it, and then I dropped the stamp set. The stamp, very, very frustrating. But I just wanted to show you that everyone makes mistakes. I'll cover that in some way, but yes, sometimes you have to leave your mistakes just there. Right, so let's get cracking. We're going to start with the card base, and the card base is Balmy Blue cardstock. And you have a panel of navy card that you can stick down straight away onto the front. And that sits just inside the centre. It's basically a centimetre smaller than the front of the card. And then inside you have a panel of white that you can stick down as well. I need to get my pressure right with this because, like you've just seen, it's torn my card. And that is exactly the same size. I do like it when the size of the outside matches the size of the inside. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to bring in your DSP. Now, I've already scored mine, and I'll show you how I've scored it. So I have put this in my trimmer, and I have scored at 4.5 centimetres, 9 centimetres, 13.5 centimetres, and then at 18 centimetres. So you have 4 equal panels that are 4.5 centimetres wide each, and then this end panel is 9 centimetres wide. Okay, and then you're going to concertina all the edges so you end up with it looking like that. And for now, the piece that we need to use is just this background piece. So pop your glue on the back, bring your card base back in, and that is what you want to stick down in the centre of your blue, your navy panel, so it opens like that. Now you want to create 2 pages, I'll call them pages, so you're going to open it all the way up, and you're going to put your glue on this panel here and stick that first one down, open it back up, put your glue on the same panel and stick down. Okay, so that will give you your 2 pages. Now, for your centre decoration, I'm going to use the ice cream shop, and that's where the ice creams come in from one of the other papers. So stick this down. I'm sticking this down flat because you've got quite a lot of depth on this card already, so that's going to get stuck down about there. I'm going to stick down my little sandwich board telling us about what the specials are. I've also got, and then we're going to create the circles. So you've got 2 white circles that have been cut from the Stylish Shapes dies, and then you want 2 navy circles. These are already in your kit, I just forgot to punch mine out, and these layer together. Like so. Okay, and then you're going to stick the first one down about there. So you're going to put glue on half of your circle and pop it just there, and it's about 1/2 centimetre from the top. Put the glue in the same place on the second circle, open it up, and you want 1/2 centimetre from the bottom roughly, and then you've got this nice little area in the middle where you can put your sentiment. So I have some ice creams cut, and I have a lamppost, but I actually haven't used the lamppost. So the blue one is going to get stuck on there, the top one, and I'm going to stick these down with pads because I haven't used any pads on this card yet. There. I've got my little ice gem just off the side. Very nice. And then inside I've got the red ice cream. So there's quite a lot of it going on this card, and I love how the eye is drawn into different parts. So here I've used a different banner on this one because I actually prefer this banner. I feel like that one was a bit got lost, and I also liked the stitching detail that it matched. So I've got happy birthday, and I'm going to stamp in balmy blue. Navy would also look nice. And that's going to get stuck down just about there. But I'm going to stick it down with a little pad. And you only want to put a pad on one end. And there we go. So we've got one panel, two panel, open it up, and actually inside this one I've done You're Such a Sweet Treat. And I'm going to stamp that in balmy blue as well. And then finish off with a little ice cream. And that's it. That is card number 4 all done. I hope you like it. Do leave me any questions in the comments, and I will see you all over on the very last video, which is my favourite. Bye for now.